36 hours? This is going to keep my drink cold for 36 hours? I don't know if I believe that, so we're going to put it to the test. Got this water out of the fridge. I'm going to dump it in here and see how long this actually lasts. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning on a Thursday. So I'm going to pour this in here, and we're going to see if this thing actually can keep this water cold for 36 hours. I'm going to put the top on it. We're just going to let it sit here. We'll come back and see what the results are. All right, we're back. It's Friday morning, and it's about 11 a.m., so we've got about 25 hours that we've had the coldest cup sitting with the water here on the counter. We didn't put any ice in here because we just want to see if it holds the temp on the water. So we're going to check it. All right, so I've got my thermometer in the mug, and it's holding at about 60 degrees. So 60 degrees is pretty good. 60 degree temperature, you figure the room temperature in here is about 75, 76, so 60 degrees is still pretty cold. Now it's not as cold as if I just got the water out of the fridge. That's about 55 degrees, so it's a little bit warmer, but it's still holding the temperature at a nice cold temperature for drinking. If I had this for another 5 or 6 hours, I think it would probably hold at that 60 degree temperature. Now this comes with 3 different lids. You've got the straw lid, and this is completely leak proof, as you can see. I got this filled up with water, and it's not going to leak at all. Comes with 2 different straws. So you got a thicker straw here. I also had this thick straw in for a period of time to see if any air would get in and it would make the mug cooler. It didn't seem to happen like that. So you've got 2 other lids with this. You've also got a sip lid. They say the sip lid is what keeps the tumbler colder, the water inside the colder tumbler. So this is the best lid if you want to keep it cold, and then you just sip out of it, so there's no straw for that one. Also comes with a shaker lid with this attachment. You just pop that on, clamp this down. But I would say the sippy lid is probably the most popular. You don't have to use a straw, and it's going to keep your liquid the coldest. So this is really nice because it's tapered at the edge. It goes right in your cup holder, even this 46 ounce one. You can get a 36 ounce one if you don't need one this large. So for the 36 ounces, it's $34.99. You can't beat that price. It's on flash sale oftentimes. So check the bag. I put it in my gallery. You might be able to get a better price on it.